Hey everyone, back in Malacatos, another day, more houses to look at. We're just meeting the woman here at the gas station. She came in on the bus from Loha, so we're gonna give her a ride up to the property. Okay, so you might as well tag along. Well, we have arrived at the property. We're here with Joanna, and she's just at this moment trying to get the gate open. Anyway, we've seen this property before. We visited here a couple of times actually. It's online, so we found it and had a look. But this is the first time we'll be able to go inside. That is assuming she can get the gate open. We will see. So we'll take you along with us and we'll have a look. What you're paying for. It's $1 million view. Okay, well, we finished this tour. Actually, the property is very nice. There's a whole area in the back, as I was showing you, that's basically, well, it's been cultivated, but it's very nice. Gives you a lot of privacy. There's trees all the way and around the property. The house needs an enormous amount of work. We were thinking we might just use that as a studio and build another house down here where the cornfield is. There's potential here, but it would take a lot of work, so it depends what we get it for if we decide to go that route. Okay, so I think we're going to look at another house today, maybe not officially, but we're going to buzz over to the other side of the valley. And thanks very much to Joanna for showing us around. Okay, talk to you later. Well, we are up on the hill here. It's Street Belen. Joanna's looking for another house that her family, somebody she knows, owns, but we don't really know where it's at. She doesn't know where it's at either, so she's just up here asking one of the neighbors. Okay, so that's it from this property. Don't know where else we're doing today, but we'll let you tag along. Okay, so we've driven to the other side of town. This is across the valley. We're in a place, I'm not sure exactly what they call this place, but nice little country road. Anyway, we've tried to arrange to meet the representative of this property, but it's been a little bit difficult. So we're just up here. We're just gonna have a look on our own. Can't get into the property. Just gonna kind of look through the gate and see what it's at. It's not a very big lot. It's only just under 900 meters squared. Anyway, take a quick look. Okay, so we talked to the guy about that house we were just at, and we're gonna try and arrange to look at it tomorrow afternoon. Anyway, as part of our tradition, we always find a place to eat lunch. And so we're down here to park near the Mercado, the main Mercado here in Malacatos. It's a beautiful, beautiful place. We've been down here before. Anyway, we're gonna find a little place to eat. Spend some time with Joanna. She's actually a realtor of some sort or has a business here that does stuff like that. I'm gonna leave a link to her name in the description. Really, really nice person, helped us out a lot today. If you're looking for property here sometime in Malacatos, you can get a hold of her. I'm sure she'll be able to help you out. Well, we actually came back to this property here, the last one that we showed you. The guy arranged to come at 4 o'clock, so we showed up here with relatives and then some other people that were looking at it. It's a nice property. It's actually hooked to municipal septic. It's got municipal water, internet, all that kind of stuff. House needs some work though. I mean, we definitely have to work on it, the house, and it depends what they are willing to accept as an offer. Right now it's a bit too high in my opinion, but we shall see. Okay, that is definitely it for today. We are going home. It's almost 5 o'clock now. Or no, I guess it's about 4:30. So, okay, talk to you next time on Passion for Life Gallery. Stay tuned for the continuing saga as Wayne and Laurel look for property somewhere in Malacatos.